Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just did get post for YouTube, you just come across this our channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime I put video here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. For this our channel, na tori now with the talk and Pidgin English will take the knock our tori for year. So today we want to talk about Mama Dawn Davis. Mama Dawn Davis don't enter double trouble. Her enemy enter double trouble. This matter, this trouble, so it involve one company, it can't involve Destiny Article, it involve Slim Brown, it involve Harry B, and it involve Mr. 2K. These 4 people they join for this matter. So for people when you don't know Mama Dawn Davis, now one woman when cry come out last year, Deborah Okeze, when she talk how she take carry her son go Deeper Life High School, how they take Jogodo the son for Bakiha, how she take one justice, she can't carry Deeper Life High School go court. In short, many people don't know about this story. If you don't know about the story for my other videos, you will hear full story about how she take get problem with Deeper Life High School. When this problem with Deeper Life starts, she can't get frustrated. She not get anybody where they support her apart from public, because she come social media, can't they make every video when she they make. From there she can't they get views. From there public can't they support her. Even me, I don't know her before. Now during this a problem with Deeper Life High School, and when she they come out on social media they talk. Now from there I can't say they follow her, I can't say they know about her. If not, I be not know anything about her. So the only support when she they get now from public. That's why every minute she always they come out, they make a video, she go they get encouragement and all that. Because after that video, she dey alone for house. She dey face a lot. She dey get attacked from different places. Deeper Life members they attack her. They attack her too much. Even we when they make video, they talk about the matter too. They see they attack us too. How much more person when you bring the matter come out? So they really they attack her, that even if she come out for streets, that so that they attack her, they send bad message on her phone, that they send bad message on her messenger. Even when she can't decide, okay, maybe she go church, she reach church, not be Deeper Life Church, but the way people come to they look her, they go leave what the pastor they talk, they just they look her like say she shit for body. Now she can't stop, so they go church, say she they worship her God for inside house. So all this time when she take get all this kata, they get all this attack, they get problem from people around her, apart from when she on social media, when her own public people go see they sympathize with her. So she really did all alone. At a time she can't develop high blood pressure, but thank God she can't feel regulator, it can't come back to normal again. But it was not easy for her. She really needs someone to come to talk to her. She needs someone to encourage her. Now this company can't take come. The company can't come say now, so they want make their pikin to be ambassador to their company. So she can't be happy say, oh, thank God say people don't still come, people still there when we say they still sympathize with her. She was so happy. They can say that they pay the son, they will put the son for school, and so many things, so many promises. And she can't, because of that one, they can't say maybe they do adverts for them, that they be the kind of people when they deal on investments, that if you invest, you will get the double of what you invest. So the company is just like that. I don't really know more about the company, but the way she take talk now, the way me take the reason, and now maybe I may be wrong or I may be right, that if they invest more, that they will get more money. And because of say people see the way she take the fight for justice, that justice, she be person wey like justice, she not liking justice, that for her to come out, come they promote this company, which means this company they be really good people. Now their people can start to dey pump money for inside the company. One blind man from America, the man not get money, the man fair pump 1 million. When the man can see say the way that they do, if I test them all, you can see say the result they come out good. It just put 5 million. another person from Brazil put 5 million. Now so people just they put from different money, they just they pump money into the accounts. At the end, the money will come from Mama Don Davis side is 150 million. For all the people who donate from Mama Don Davis, some 1 million, some 2, some 3, some 4, some 5. Now so they say donate, it can't reach like that. She can't they promote the people when they follow Mama Don Davis. You guys know what they talk. Now so they say they want give car. Now so they say they want give gift for Valentine 14. But she can't see talk and say, wanna remember one word when she talk. He say for now, he say they're good. He say but if you see anything funny, that she will still come back here and say it. Now so she take talk. But it can't be like say too much water don't pass under the bridge before Mama Don Davis can realize say these people not be waiting it, not be so happy. Because number one, everything when they promise the pikin, they not do anyone. Monthly salary when they say they will pay. He say he call before they even pay 1 month or so. School money she take put her pikin for another school. So all the promise when they promise her, they not do her home not be a problem. Oh, her home not be a problem. The problem now be say people when through her can't donate, because you know when somebody they fight for justice like you believe say this person you know will pull out for anything hot or total. That make many people believe and just pump money into this business. At the end, they not see their money. Now, the people now, that they call the company people, if they call their phone will say, hello, the company you are trying to call, it has been expired. Or the company you are trying to call, there be shuku people, there be hiki people, there be huru people, there be wayo people. So please, stop calling this number. They know they get response. And so they take jump enter Mama Don Davis say now you now introduce this business for us. So see what they happen. They know they pick call. 1 person call, 2 call, 3 call, 4 call. Now Mama Don Davis come begin they call the Oga Patapata for there we introduce her and say na pikin wan be ambassador. She called that one. That one say he dey meeting, he dey here, he dey there. You know they even they respond Mama Don Davis again. Now then Mama Don Davis can't be like it the way so call you 10 times so. Because he don't know how you want to return those people money. Now I can't write message to them say, I beg the money wanna collect for these people. And if the business not come good, wanna return their money to them. Now we day now. The heat come too much for Mama Don Davis. Now I say he go cry come out too. Say make people see he don't know one not too. He still talk and say anything go wrong, he go come see talk am. Now make she make video when she make that day. You see this life, many people they like to use your own problem as an advantage for their self, and it's very bad. You go see the person that already dey problem. You go see they carry your own, when they join the person. Una know say this woman don't already get problem with deeper life, say that they go court. Una want to use this thing against them. Inside this matter. Even before Mama Don Davis talk and comment, me don't hear this matter. Because people now put money for there, you understand? I don't discuss this matter with some people. So say, maybe na deeper life people, now I send this company take come to distract Mama Don Davis or to spoil Mama Don Davis' name. You understand? Because now only public, now be people when they help Mama Don Davis. Mama Don Davis don't get any influence when we say it start for her apart from public. Now that they assist her, and now the public when they assist her, she won't begin to get problem with public. Not be up be that one. When they come meet Mama Don Davis for the first time to say they want use Don Davis they do brand ambassador, they make her understand say not be only Don Davis na be brand ambassador to them, that they don't get some important people for the country. They come mention Destiny Etiko, they say na one of them. They say Slim Brown na one of them. Harry B na one of them. Mr. 2K na one of them. So when Mama Don Davis come see all these people, because they go carry diary come out of the ambassador. Now, you know, say Mama Don Davis no fit know how they take they do ambassador now. So as they come bring their diary, they put their picture and their name as brand ambassador. Then you take believe say before Destiny Etiko go there, Slim Brown go there, Harry B go there, Mr. 2K go there, which means they not be wayo people. You understand? Now make I come put body for inside do. Now only God now know whether the Destiny and all these people, they even know say they don't they put their name for their diary. They show people they go say they use and they scam people they go. You can be surprised say they don't know. Maybe they just see them somewhere. They just catch a picture with them. They'll go put out for their diary say these people they partner with us. Whereas they don't know one, they don't know two. Now make me put the picture for the thumbnail. Make una see the company people with their Destiny and the rest people say they're there with them. You understand? Now only God now know that these people know or they don't know.
So now Mama Don Davis don't petition this company and he does report the matter to EFCC because he said they must vomit the money when they take through her. As she talk, she said now 150,000 thereabouts. Now people pay through her. So he don't petition, they say they go vomit the money, bring come out. May they return the money back to the owner. Whether the business get as it be or it not get as it be. If the profits not come out, may the full money come out.
Whether the business don't get problem, I don't know how they say they do the business, so I don't really get idea. Maybe they lost money for the business or na a plan where business. Hey, if na plan where business, people will put money na chow. But if not, na so plan where take on that time is small. My mama put money that time, na so money she take go. Hey, not be saying na big money like that. So na so you take come that time. So na different way money take they come. All this kind money investment take they come. You understand? Me not they do all those kind of things. I know they involve myself or anything. Give me 1 million, I give you 2 million. I know they do. I don't do that because story fit come. Now people when go down for the first time go gain now. After they don't gain and finish, no way. That's why you people have to be careful on how you put money on somewhere. You understand? Now someone come at that time, they say na London, if you put 250 at more 10, you can't get 2,000 enemy. Now I say, count me out. I don't do that. Where I work the 2,000 put. Because I know say I'm not gonna see that money again. Maybe the first set of people if you see their own, they can't use and they deceive other people. Say I see my own, you'll see your own, you will come put your own, you not go see your own again. So if you want to invest your money, make sure say you know where you invest your money. And I want be waiting me one try to talk. And not be everything when I see on social media. Now go they just they jump put because they can deceive social media person. I know what they try to talk. Many people don't try to deceive me here to do some kind of things. But me, I'm not great to because I don't see and say if it happen now me, they go they drag just as they drag Mama Don Davis now. Mama Don Davis no know one, no two, no shop money. So I beg you, my people, my public people, when they support Mama Don Davis, but I still continue to they support her. Now distraction, now be this one. She not get influence. She don't know anybody. She don't know big man for politician. She don't know big man for government house or anywhere. Where she know people, now be public. Now public they support her ever since. So if public people leave her now, you understand what I mean? So please, people will see they support her in one way or the other. Mona not leave her because of this matter. I beg, Mona still support her. Mona see how it will take end. Because all these are distraction. I pity Don Davis. Now what for some
so
people?
My lovely people, what do not think about this video? What do not think about this company, Mama Don Davis and everything so far? What do not think? Please drop your opinion down there. Everybody have right to use their own opinion. So for me, you don't insult anybody. Your opinion is very, very important. Thank you for watching.
We are not just here to talk. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will change situation of things. If you share this video, you are going to save a lot of people. Please
again, share this video. Make people not go fall victim for this same company again. Share this video. You are still saving a lot of people.
Thank you guys. And if I talk and not talk well, Mona throw away the word, Mona take me a also. That's why I'm your sister, I'm your friend, I'm your girl, I'm your pikin. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, use this opportunity to hit that red button, so you go to hear how the coco who they carry, they come here, life experience. Thank you so much, and I will see you on my next video. Ciao, ciao. My pikin don't they shout. Let me go meet her. Ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to true dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to true dreams with Lady T, and God will see